Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be showing you about this new weather here, and as you can see, it's nice outside. And with that being said, let's get into the video. Okay, we're getting into the first subject, frisbee. Try. Shy one. Oh my goodness! Let's see if we can get a different one, but like even better. Okay, moving on into next. We're into the next part of frisbee, and let's see if our cat Shy right there will chase it. Let's see. Hey! Go. Very slow. Oh, okay. Now let's see if I can throw it up into the distance. Oh, look, it's right there. Just camouflage. And 3, 2, 1. Really? Really? Let me try that again. I guess it. But we'll turn this back into a frisbee in 3, 2. Now we have a frisbee. Apparently sticks turn into frisbees if you craft them correctly. Now we throw. Oh. I'm Captain America.
That's not the right shoe.
As you may think, yes, we're doing frisbee again. Not this time. This time we are going to kill.
Oh, he's gone.
Get it wet! Coming back!
Please stop falling. It's kinda.
Simon with the Captain America shield thingy. Okay, so what you gonna do?
Okay, throw the frisbee.
Wait, let me zoom in on this face impression. Man, that's some real confidence. Now we get it. Yeet.
Oopsie.
I don't think that was supposed to happen. But on the bright side, Lucky's having a fun time on the trampoline. Man, I just got that. So let's see. Wow.
I tried to do it bartending and do it right. Didn't work too well.
Okay. Anyways, can you give that to me for a second? Thank you. And I'll take that.
Hey, you did that.
I'm out. And please subscribe and leave a like and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on another video. And share this video with your friends and family or whatever social media you have. And if you comment within the first day, I will give you a shout out. And we will see you next time.